volleyball fans, we are now heading to our third game here in the men's division in the Western Conference of the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. For our third game, it is the battle between the municipality of Binmaley having 3-3 standing versus municipality of Mangatarem having 3-2 standing. So both teams have the same 3 wins for this conference. Kaya naman aasahan natin na magiging all out sila sa kanilang floor defense, monster blocks, sarang services, and also sa kanilang powerful attacks na magagaling sa mga players ng dalawang municipalities. Kaya naman, volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our live and i-comment nyo na kung sinong team ang sa tingin nyong makakakuha ng victory for today. Again, this is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.
Welcome back, volleyball fans. We are live once again here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center as the action continues in the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. Before we get underway, we'd like to once again extend our sincere gratitude to our beloved Governor Ramon V. Guico III, whose unwavering support for sports continues to provide opportunities for our local athletes to compete, develop their talents, and proudly represent their respective municipalities. And now, it's time for another exciting clash in the men's division. It is Team Mangatarem versus Team Binmaley. Both teams are coming off a win on their last outing. I'm Maria Victoria Ferrer together with my partner Cliff Lagisma. And let's begin with our third game for the men's division.
First 6 for Team Binmaley, jersey number 17, jersey number 18, jersey number 16, jersey number 12, jersey number 4, and their libero, jersey number 9.
For Team Mangatarem, first 6. Jersey number 4, jersey number 17, jersey number 9, jersey number 5, jersey number 2, and jersey number 8. For our first serve, jersey number 9, Flores.
Belio.
Paragas.
Paragas. Marquez was there. Belio to the middle, blocked by Rillion.
Serve. Belio to Dumalanta.
Another denial in the net, at the net, by Rillion in jersey number 17.
Still serving, Flores. Targets Dumalanta, Belio. Babalik sa kanya, drop ball. Isiset sa 4. Belio to Paragas and lumusot sa block ng Team Mangatarem. First point for Team Binmaley.
Paragas slashing through the block of Rillion and jersey number 17. Paragas serving. Flores
To Viernes.
to the open.
Louis gets
Deflected by
it.
the block. Viernes couldn't get through it. Paragas continues to serve.
Serve. Flores is set. Miscommunication for Team Mangatarem.
Miscommunication there between Ventanilla and Rillion. And we have a crowd cheering for Team Binmaley at our back partner.
Blocked. Flores to Viernes. Dog.
No
Strong.
block touch.
Serving. Paragas. Flores. Back set to Ventanilla. That is outside.
Ventanilla, too much muscle on that push.
5 serving 2.
Paragas serving.
Flores sa gitna. Rillion ginawa ng paraan. Paragas will play setter. Dumalanta.
Dumalanta.
Point for Team Binmaley.
Dumalanta staring at the block.
Early timeout here for Team Mangatarem.
Paragas steady on the service line. Marquez receives. Flores To the open Viernes. Challenging the defense of Libero of Binmaley.
Relion. Belio backs it to Dumalanta and a solid block for Team Mangatarem.
Denial from Carmelo Marquez and Ventimiglia. Effective at the net.
Relion. Belio is set kay Embernate. And solid attack there for jersey number 4.
Embernate. Down the line hit.
Serving jersey number 8. Aquino. Misreceived. Louis chases. Carmelo gives a free ball. Belio to Dumalanta.
Dumalanta
And
breaks
another
the block.
point.
Full front row for Belio. Flores to Carmelo Marquez with a bang. Ventimiglia serves. Floats. Belio. And Bernata drops. And they can get through it. Good vision there by Bernate. Dumalanta now serving.
Good reception. Flores sets to Louis Marquez. Dog to Embernate. And another point for Team Binmaley.
Flores to opposite Viernes. Successful at the end line. Paragas couldn't get it.
Serving jersey number 17, Viernes. Belio to Low. Flores to Carmelo. Dog. And Bernate sends it to Mangatarem. And Louis Marquez gets the point.
Louis Marquez challenging the defense of Paragas. Viernes serving. Agawan sa set. Four touches called on Team Mangatarem. Ventimiglia contesting the call. But no, says the up referee. Paragas now in
Bernate.
front.
Flores to
Louis drops.
Paragas.
Paragas just out.
No check ball on that attack.
Carmelo Marquez serving. Float serve, but it sails out. Four-point lead by Team Binmaley. Adonis serves. Flores to Louis. Marquez. Come
Wow.
on, says Louis.
What a powerful cross-court attack.
Louis now serving.
Belio, 1-2 play, and then si Ventanilla. Belio to Paragas, drop ball. Double contact violation committed by Team Mangatarem.
Ventanilla doesn't like the call. Belio on the service deck.
Serve. Flores is set kay Ventanilla. Block!
Ooh, no one there.
Coverage on the part of Team Mangatarem.
Zone 2 empty. Another serve coming from Belio. Good serve, almost an ace. Ventanilla flies. Ventanilla breaks the block. Ten serving 14. Full front row for Flores.
Belio bibigay kay Domalanta, and that is off the block. Point for Team Binmaley.
Domalanta stares the block of Rillion and Viernes that time.
Serving jersey number 17, Paragas. Misreceived by Louis. Free ball for Team Binmaley. Belio to Embernate. What a clean hit.
Embernate ecstatic at that point. Paraga serving.
Flores.
One hand set, but no. Viernes just outside the antenna. The lead has ballooned to 7, partner.
Paragas could serve Flores to Cornelio. Si set sa 4 to Domalanta. That is outside.
Malanta. Sorry, say sorry at the bench for that hitting attack error.
Now the service zone, jersey number 6, Cornelio. Belly tataas para kay Embernate.
Embernate.
Another point.
Embernate muscling that out. Still full front row for Binmaley. Ventanilla block. Viernes tries. Belio to Embernate. Ooh!
Net violation on the part of Team Mangatarem.
One of the players hanged sa net ng volleyball. Flores. Carmelo Stares down.
Still a 7-point lead here for Team Binmaley. Serving team captain Ventanilla. Belio back set to Dumalanta. Andun si Ventanilla. Hinabol ni Flores. This is a free ball for Team Binmaley. Belio ibibigay kay Embernate. Flores. Regalo for Adonis. And another point for Team
Adonis.
Binmaley.
With that powerful quick. Regalo actually.
Ang live po ng Central Conference ay dito rin po sa ating Facebook page na Rev Up TV. While ang Eastern Conference naman po ay sa Facebook page na Ramon V. Guico III Volleyball Inter-Town Tournament.
A very comfortable lead imposed by Team Binmaley. Dumalanta serves.
This receives. Free ball for Team Binmaley. Belio isiset kay Adonis. Blocked. Point for Team Mangatarem.
Adonis rejected there by Louis Marquez.
Serving, Viernes. Belio to Embernate. Andun yung libero. Flores to Carmelo. And point for jersey number 15.
Carmelo Marquez power tips that one. Viernes serving. Belio to Embernate. Oh, no second ball. They can't help Flores to raise that ball. Embernate serves.
Sharp serve. Flores back set to Carmelo. And that goes out. Point for Team Mangatarem.
Very good intuition by Carmelo Marquez to push that ball and make use of the hands of the blockers to deflect it going outside.
Lead down to 6. Carmelo. Belio will set it to Paragas. Andun si Ventanilla. Louis.
Airborne.
Good ball. Belio to
Paragas
Paragas.
denied
Blocked.
by Flores. Serving jersey number 3.
Good serve. Belio itataas para kay Paragas. Blocked. Self-cover. Belio on a 1-2. Flores to Louis Marquez.
Ooh.
And another score for Team Mangatarem. Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Team Binmaley.
We are only in our first set between Mangatarem and Binmaley. 17 serving 21. Belio. Ooh! Adonis with that big quick.
Serving, Adonis. Receive by Ventanilla to Louis Marquez. That is inside.
Louis now on the service line. Floater serve. Belio. Kanino pupunta? To Paragas. Ventanilla tries. Rejected! Ventanilla couldn't get through Aquino and Paragas block.
Good serve. Flores, iniangat para kay Ventanilla. Andun si Belio. 1-2 by the libero. Sa set para kay Ventanilla. That catches the line.
That down the line is really unguarded. 23-19, 19 serving 23. Flores. Paragas sets Domalanta. And Domalanta scores. Paragas serves for the set. Outside for Cornelio. And Binmaley gets first set. second set between Team Mangatarem and Team Binmaley on your way. Belio on deck to serve for Team Binmaley. Ooh, sails out.
Service error for Team Binmaley. So first point for Team Mangatarem.
Flores on deck to serve. Domalanta flies. And the point for Team Mangatarem. Floor touch already. Flores continues to serve for Team Mangatarem. Paragas unsuccessful. Domalanta down the line. Paragas serves. Flores to Carmelo Marquez. And he's loving that. Carmelo now serving. Well, Aquino successful on that push. Point for Binmaley. 2 serving 3. Flores calls for play for Mangatarem. Viernes. Ooh, using the blocker's hands. Louis Marquez on deck to serve. Ball out, just too wide for Louis Marquez. Domalanta serves. Flores to the middle, denied by Adonis. For all, Domalanta serving. Flores to Viernes. Dumusot. Belio. To Embernate. But there's a block. Blocker is out. Puksaan. Now starting. Nawalanta serving. Flores gives to the open drop ball. Floor touch, says our second referee. Viernes serving.
Good serve. Then Bernate. And a point for Team Binmaley.
Six serving 5 after that Bernate kill.
Serving. And Bernate. Good serve. Flores to the middle. Let's wait for the call.
Binmaley says no check. And it's outside.
And there is no check. Point for Team Binmaley. Substitution here for Team Mangatarem. 6 out, 4 Relion in.
Rillion is back. Flores calls for play. Flores to the open.
Belio is set para kay Paragas. Block. Good cover. Belio to Paragas. And that is off the block. Point for Team Binmaley. And a 3-point lead now.
And the tables had turned. The lead is now with Team Binmaley. And Bernata serves, floater, and last touch by Louis Marquez.
And timeout, Team Mangatarem.
Timeout, Team Mangatarem.
It's now a 4-point lead. Huwag po kayong aalis dahil ang susunod na laro po natin ay Team Alaminos City versus Team Aguilar. Balik po tayo dito sa ating laro. It is between Team Binmaley and Team Mangatarem. If you've just tuned in, nanalo po ang Team Binmaley kaninang first set. Still serving. And Bernate. Soriano sets it to the open. Belio to Paragas. And then si Soriano. Flores sa open. Deflected. And Bernate from the pipe. Flores itinaas. But that is outside. Good decision for Dumalanta to let it go. Substitution here. Babalik na si Ventanilla and lalabas si Tobias.
5-point lead enjoyed by Team Binmaley.
And Bernate, sharp serve. Flores, ibibigay para kay Ventanilla. Good ball. Reyes sets it to Paragas. Louis was there. Flores will give a free ball. Belio.
Ooh.
And he is blocked.
Rillion serves. Good serve from Rillion. Paragas rejected, deflected. Ventanilla sending it outside. Will there be a check? No, says the first referee. Adonis now serving with a 5-point lead. Flores to the Carmelo Marquez.
With
pounding
little
that
stare
ball.
down. On the service zone, jersey number 2, Ventanilla. Short serve, Belio. Combination
Combination.
play, but
But
Paraga straight to the net.
someone crashed through the net. And merong tumutulo from the ceiling. Ventanilla serving. Ventanilla serving. Belio calls for play. Ooh, straight to the net. What a momentum killer there. Belio on deck to serve for Binmaley. Flores. Combination to Louie. Flores to Carmelo. Denied.
1-2.
Ooh.
That is a catch and throw for Aquino.
Aquino regretful on that point.
Serving jersey number 9, Flores. Belio to
Domalanta with
Domalanta.
the boom.
What a powerful attack there coming from the captain. Serving jersey number 17, Paragas. Flores to running Carmelo. Blocked.
Domalanta back-to-back points. Paragas on deck to serve. Flores to the Louis Marquez. But it's out.
Let us wait for the call of our first referee.
Point for
No
Team
check
Binmaley.
ball.
Ventanilla contesting the call. Mangatarem is frustrated with that call. Too bad we cannot have challenge.
And the call will stay with the team Binmaley. Serving jersey number 17, Paragas. Over-received, Aquino sets it to Embernate. Andun si Ventanilla. Flores will set it to Viernes. Andun si Reyes. Belio backs it to Dumalanta. Andun si Flores. Louis will set it to the open drop ball. Good ball. Flores sets to Louis. Andun si Reyes. Good defense. Flores to Louis again.
Oh!
And he gets the point.
Paragas all alone at the back. Good and handle the Viernes attack. Carmelo Marquez on deck to serve. Belio to the open, Embernate. Viernes on the opposite.
Aquino.
Play setter. Ooh! Louis Marquez. Placement shot to Dumalanta. Carmelo Marquez.
Drop ball blocked. And back-to-back points for Team Mangatarem.
Binmaley in disarray right now.
Serving Louis Marquez. No, that's Carmelo Marquez, sorry. Belio to Embernate. And a point for jersey number 4.
There's a loose block between Relion and Viernes. Relion back to sender. Quick denial there by Adonis to Relion.
Flores to Louis. That is off the block.
Using the blocker's hands. Louis Marquez. Back row now. Serving. Good serve. Dumalanta. Rejected, but there's a block touch.
There's a check.
Up referee partner says it's out.
Serving team captain Dumalanta. Received by Louis. Flores is set kay Viernes. Andun si Dumalanta. Sets to Embernate off speed. Flores. Louis from the pipe. Andun si Paragas. Belio will set it to the open. Blocked. And a regalo for Viernes. Point for Team Mangatarem.
15 points for Team Mangatarem after that Viernes regalo. Belio sets Embernate, chased by Louis. Relion with a quick!
Baba sa 2-point lead ang Team Binmaley. And the game changer for
And
Team Binmaley.
the crowd goes wild for Team
Yes.
Binmaley. The crowd favorite.
De Guzman is now inside the court. Belio
De
to De
Guzman
Guzman.
rejected
Blocked.
one more time.
Free ball for
No,
Team
free
Mangatarem.
ball.
Flores to the middle. Flores to Ventanilla. Doon si Paragas. Good ball. Free ball.
Who will they go
Flores.
to? Oh,
And lucky
Adonis!
point for Team Mangatarem.
Hesitation move by Adonis.
And isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Binmaley.
1
Now-
point lead by Binmaley.
On the service zone, Viernes. Good reception to De Guzman.
3-man block. No problem,
And
says
the
De
crowd
Guzman.
goes wild.
Making his presence felt here. Come on.
Serving, jersey number 14, De Guzman. Good serve. Set for Ventanilla. That is outside.
I cannot comment on that. Well, we have a line judge, partner. Point for Team Binmaley. 20 serving 17. De Guzman.
And that
Outside.
is outside. 2-point lead. 18 serving 20. Double substitution here for Team Mangatarem.
John Rick Rillion serving. Good serve. Belio to Adonis.
That is inside. 21 serving 18.
Ball
And
out for Adonis.
service error. And
Aquino for calls for play. Ventanilla serves. Belio to Paragas.
Paragas.
Back to sender. Season to Louie. Free ball. Belio binigay kay Paragas. And Paragas scores! (22 serving 19).
serving. Belio. Short serve. Ventanilla to Flores.
Oh!
And
Floor touch already,
Point.
partner.
for Team Mangatarem. Babalik na dito si Viernes. It means si Flores na ulit ang magsiset for Team Mangatarem.
Full front row for Flores. This is a tall lineup, partner.
Indeed.
Oh!
But crucial service error on the side of Team Mangatarem.
Wasted opportunity for Team Mangatarem. Paragas will now serve for Team Binmaley. Floater. Flores to Marquez.
And walang tao sa likod for Team Mangatarem, and we are now at match point.
Match point for Team Binmaley.
And
they will
timeout.
call for time.
Team Mangatarem.
Team Mangatarem calls for timeout. One last stand for Paragas and Team Binmaley. Ventanilla plays setter to Viernes. Two touches for Aquino.
Service specialist for Team Mangatarem. Serving jersey number 3, Fernandez. Belio backs it to Dumalanta.
Dumalanta!
And the captain finishes
Ending the
the match. Congratulations.
Congratulations to both teams.
Binmaley.
Mangatarem's gallant stand and Binmayle's sturdy fortress.
Yung 500 natin, wala pa kamo. Sapatos po baka naman po.
ng coach namin.
This is where it ends. Our third game here in the men's division of the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. Mula sa municipality of Mangatarem, hindi man naging maganda ang kanilang start. But in the long run, nakita naman natin na gusto nilang bumawi. Kaya naman bumawi sila sa kanilang powerful attacks and also sa kanilang blockings. Well, sa team, Binmaley naman naging consistent sila mula sa first set up until the second set. And mas nakita natin na naging eager sila noong second set. Kaya naman sila ang nakakuha ng victory for today's game. And still, congratulations for Municipality of Mangatarem for giving us a good game. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team. Player number 16, Denise Dumalanta, having 10 attacks. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. So grabe, nakita namin yung game mo kanina sa powerful attacks mo. Sino yung nagiging motivation mo every game para makapagbigay lagi ng good game?
Ang motivation ko lagi sa every game po is family ko po talaga. Kasi tuwing may laro po ako dito sa Inter-Town is nagluluto po sila ng mga pagkain na ulam namin, ganyan. Tapos salo-salo po kaming kumakain po.
Kaya pala maganda rin yung connection ninyo sa loob ng court. So sa tingin mo, ano yung isa sa bagay na naging consistent kayo sa loob ng court after your losses? And dahil ngayon, winning streak na kayo for this conference.
Talagang strict po namin yung winning po kasi nasa amin na yung mga kumpiyansa namin. Ito na sa amin eh. Kaya yun po. Tuloy-tuloy na mo namin itong panalo na po.
Sino naman yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan or any message para sa mga teammates mo, family and friends and supporters ng Binmaley?
Siyempre, thank you kay God and thank you po sa family ko, kay mama, papa, ate, kuya, dan sa mga pamangkin ko. Then, kay Mayor, kay Vice Mayor, sa ABC President po, kay Ma'am Nikki, and sa mga volleyballista na nakagabi na kasama ko, maraming salamat. Kila Kuya Jeb, nandun sila, si Lex, Jodel, nandun sila. Then, happy birthday kay Mema. Ang Mema ng bayan, Sir Glenyo. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta po sa amin. Ano masasabi mo, sir?
Thank you po sa suporta.
Ay, magsha-shout. Shout out po sa pamilya ko na nasa Batangas ulit. Pero yung isa na sa Laguna, yung isa na sa Baguio. Shout out sa kapatid ko si Jelaika. Kay Mikay, sana mag-ingat ka dyan sa Dubai. Umuwi ka na yung anak mo. Umiiyak, walang nanay. Go.
Shoutout sa asawa ko, mahal ka ni Gadong.
Thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning this game. Volleyball fans, this is where it concludes our third game here in the men's division. Stay here in our page dahil meron pa tayong remaining 2 games sa men's division. Again, this is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.